For today's home tip, we're kind of building what I talked about last week and lighting. Again, these are some fixes that you can do that'll make a good impact on your property when your buyer's coming to look through and you're selling your home, which really won't break the bank. So like I said last week, if you have an electrician coming in, there's a couple things that you want to do. And the first one is you might want to change out some light bulbs because those daylights are better, and also chandeliers. The chandeliers may be a little bit, or lighting fixtures may be a little harder for you to swap out. So you might want to hire an electrician. If you're hiring an electrician, it's also a good opportunity now to change out your old outlets. And when you walk through a home, it's funny, if you see older outlets, those little circle ones, looks like a face, and not the rectangular ones, it kind of gives the idea to a lot of people that maybe there's something wrong with the electrical. Maybe it's knobbing to wiring. Maybe it's something else. If you swap out, just the little outlets and light switches, it does make a huge impact. And the second thing you're going to want to do, if you are going to change out light, the reason why I'm standing here is you might want to do something like this. Again, not always at this level, but these are dimmers. You might want to put dimmer switches on your light switches, not on all of them, on areas in which you might want to dim, like your TV room or your family room, dining room, things like that. And you can even get ones which are Wi-Fi capable, which won't break the bank, like Lutron has a great system. So again, you can update your outlets and also update your lighting with some dimmer switches.